people, welcome back to City Hunters. Today we're in Istanbul. We're here for I think 3, 4, maybe 5 days. Just depends on how many subscribers I get. Nah, kidding. We're here for 5 days and I'm here with my family on a short trip. My parents haven't been before to Istanbul, so that's why we thought let them show Istanbul. Today's plan is we're going to visit the Ayasofya. So I'll show you some stills of the Ayasofya. We're going to visit the Blue Mosque, and maybe it depends on the time, what time we finish. We're going to the Grand Bazaar. But the most important thing I forgot is it's today Friday, and as you know, for all the Muslims, it's Jummah Day, and we're going to, hopefully me and my dad are going to pray in Ayasofya, and it just depends on how busy it is. We're now heading to Ayasofya then, me and my dad, and catch you later then. Take care, bye. Yo people, welcome. So as you can see behind me, you've got the beautiful Ayasofya. We're here at the square where the Ayasofya is, and on the other side you've got the Blue Mosque, so I'll film that later on. Now we're heading off to the Ayasofya. My family is already inside it. I didn't film the way because it started raining. It started really hard raining, so that's why I couldn't make a movie. But at the back you'll see the Ayasofya, the beautiful Ayasofya. Yes, okay. Now you've seen it, so let's go inside. See you there.
Hey bro.
Yes, bro.
You want to have a guide here for it?
No, I don't have a guide. I know the history of Ayasofya.
You will have a guide when you hire me, man.
No, exactly, but I know the history, brother. So, thank you.
I know the history better than you, brother.
I know you know, but you take money, so that's why, innit? So, all right, thanks, man. Take care. Eh? Okay, Abi, thank you. Yes, so yes, YouTuber, brother. So yes, we're going inside the Ayasofya now at the moment. So the guide is asking, he's calling my name, but at the moment we're just walking inside, and let's see if I know something. Look at the beautiful Ayasofya. This is the entrance. Yes, you've got all the people who are visiting this beautiful mosque. So it used to be a museum, and now they've turned it into a mosque. Well, it was first before a mosque, then it was a museum, and now it's become a mosque again. So as you can see over here, you've got the place where you can do your wuzu, and before you go inside the masjid, the mosque. So let's go inside the mosque now. Yeah, so this is the entrance of the mosque. Yes, heading towards the mosque. So it started a bit of raining, so that's why we couldn't do anything. Okay, so this is the entrance of this beautiful mosque. First, obviously, we need to take off our shoes, and once we've taken out our shoes, then we can enter the mosque. So let's have a look where we can pull our shoes off. Yes, mashallah, so busy all around here, even on this time, as you can see. So let me have a look where I can pull my shoes off, and then let's go inside. Yes, see you later. Okay people, so I've put my shoes away, and now let's go inside the mosque. Okay, so now we're entering the Ayasofya Mosque. Yes, as you can see, a lot of people, so let me go inside. This is the main entrance. So look at how big this massive building is. Mashallah, look, just have a look how big this mosque is. Mashallah. Yes, so have a look. Yes, so look at all the way to the tomb. So let me show you some around here. So this is the entrance. You can pray obviously here, but it's open for everyone. Even the non-Muslims are allowed to visit this mosque. Once again, it used to be a museum, and now let me go walk in front of this. Look at these beautiful lights. Yes, as you can see, all the way up to the top. Yes, so let me go furthermore. Have a look how beautiful this is. All right. Still, it's not prayer time, but still really busy over here. Yes. Okay, so upstairs here, the people who read namaz, do the azan, will sit over there and they will read the azan. And let me go inside here. So let's go upstairs. Yes, over here you can see in the front where the imam will pray, and everyone will obviously sit backwards. So let me show you how big this really is. A lot of people around here, as you can see. So let me go here. So let me show you this massive Allah sign. All right, as you can see over here, really high, you'll see the Muhammad sign. Yes. Okay. So this is a really big, massive mosque around here. On the upstairs you'll see some balcony. I'm not sure if it's allowed to go there, but before it was a museum and then you were allowed to go upstairs. Now I don't know, to be honest, because I don't see anyone upstairs. Anyhow, here downstairs is so big that you really don't need to go upstairs around here. Okay, well, I think this was it for now. Maybe let's see if what more I can film, and if not, then signing off from here. See you later. Oh, here you'll see all these beautiful names, and then my dad is going to tell you what these Arabic letters mean. So Dad, tell me, what does that mean?
Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.
Okay, and that one?
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And what's this name?
Umar Farooq Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
Okay, so let's move ahead, and then we'll have a look to the next one. As you can see, we're going to the next one. So my dad is coming with me. Yes. So Dad, tell me, what's standing over there?
Ali Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
Okay, and what about that one?
Hussein Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
And what about that one?
Hassan Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
Okay, and then we've got that one.
Usman Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
Okay, so
Is Abu Bakr Siddiq.
I think we've got one more name.
Yeah.
So
That is Abu Bakr Siddiq Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
so now you know what all these.
They are the friends of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Yes, people, once more again back. I forgot one thing. Obviously, you've got the woman's side as well. This is the man's side. Obviously, you'll see now the woman's as well because it's not prayer time. But let me show you the place where the women go for praying their namazes. So yes, over here you can see these are the places where the women do their prayers. And obviously I'm not allowed to go inside, so that's why I'm not going inside. So let me say is just go back, and this is the main hall where all the men pray when it's during the prayer times. Okay, take care. So this is the entrance. Obviously you can see all the people coming inside from the entrance. Over here you can put your shoes down, and you've got different entrances of this mosque. Going to the exit, we visit the mosque. So let's go to the exit, and let me show you. Well, this is the exit door, but over here you've got something written, so let me show you. Yes, so you've seen this. course, you will see this and this thing. Yeah, so all these places you see in different languages, the history about this mosque when it was first built. So we've got all the history over here, and now let's go to the exit. So this is the exit, and as you can see, I think it's been raining as well. That's it, it's raining, so let me see what we can do over here. We don't have real luck today with this weather. Actually it's nice, but even if we didn't have any rain, then it would have been better. Anyhow, well, this is the exit, and let's go at the exit then. Yes, take care.